Mommy, I pray, Mommy, and I throw up. I throw up.
Bigla ka na
Yeah, Mommy, I do this. Oh, it's so fast.
And
Let me
then?
look.
Oh.
Let me look.
Oh.
Like this.
Ay, ang bilis mo palang lumaki.
Let me like this. Oh, like this.
Ay, ganyan ang dream mo?
Yeah, when I take a diamond pala. And Mommy, do you know when I hold that diamond, I told to that was 100. I told to that was 100.
100?
Yeah, I told to that was.
Nagpunta ka sa cross?
Yeah, 100.
What did you do there?
And Mommy, you know, I told to the honey place. That is very honey. Mommy,
Honey?
do you know hapa animal is there? And
Really?
mga tao. Yeah. And Mommy, I go back na.
Mabilis ka lang nagpunta.
Yeah, like this. Oh, Mommy, when Papa Jesus tell me and the like this me. And Mommy, do you know Papa Jesus, he heal me when I'm sick pa.
Talaga?
Yeah, and Papa Jesus, he helped me to find the tao there.
Who's the tao? Sino ba yung tao?
Everything at wala, and everything the tao wala.
Grabe naman yung
Yeah.
panaginip mo na yun.
Mommy, and do you know, they hug me.
Ha? They
Yeah.
hug you?
Yeah,
Grabe yung
all of the
panaginip mo.
tao. That is name.
What are the names? You remember pa?
The boy, it is very guapo.
Guwapo?
Yeah, the
Guwapo.
boy.
Ano?
Yeah, Mommy, I'm taller than him.
Really?
Yeah, I'm taller than the boy.
Grabe. Grabe yung haba ng dream mo.
Like this lang, oh.
Like that lang.
Yeah, like this lang.
Hindi na natatapos yung dream mo.
Like this lang.
O ganyan. Grabe ang haba
Yeah.
pala.
And Mommy, do you know, I hold the magic robot. And Mommy, I turn side and the magic robot. And Mommy, it's so nice.
Really?
Yeah, have a
Grabe.
beach, have a swimming pool. It is not very dirty.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Papa Jesus wash it.
Really?
Do you know I go in the most beautiful place.
Really?
Yeah.
Baka you go to heaven on your dream.
Mommy,
yeah.
have 100 swimming pool, have 100 beach. Yeah, and Mommy, do you know I can play paddle? Mommy,
Oh.
do you know the sun is magic?
Ang haba naman ang dream nito. Hindi na natapos ba?
And Mommy,
Nakatulog na si Alexa at nagising ulit. Di pa natapos ang dream ni Jacob ba?
and Papa Jesus out my ends and
Totoo kaya Alexa ang dream ni Ato? Tingin mo lang. Ha? Tingin?
Mommy, I dream I'll put a lawyer lang that is smiling.
What?
It is a statue.
It's
A
a
statue
statue.
lawyer.
Lawyer?
Yeah,
Mga lawyer na sa dream mo?
Mommy, a statue lawyer.
Grabe
Yeah,
pala.
it is a statue. It's smiling like this. Mommy, do you know? It is important to wear shoes and to play out.
Talaga?
Yeah, Papa Jesus, clean the play out. Everything is clean.
Grabe pala ang
And
mga
Mommy,
nangyari.
do you know Papa Jesus make me a magic food?
A magic
Yeah,
food?
When I eat so many and Mommy, I eat so many that food. And Mommy, do you know I become an angel?
You become an angel?
Yeah.
Uy! Grabe yung dream. But you're an angel talaga. You look like an angel.
Yeah, Mommy,
And you're an angel naman.
when I become an angel, not.
Ganun ba?
Mommy, Peter's.
And then the end na yung story mo or may episode pa yan?
Yeah, hapa episode.
May episode. May episode pa pa. Anak. Oh.
Episode 5.
May episode patay. Episode 1 pa lang kami. Episode 1 pa lang kami. Hanggang episode 5 pala yun.
Mommy,
Paano na lang tayo matapos nito?
Mommy, it is real.
It's real?